Okay, folks, been a while. COVID ran through our family here, so it took me a while to get back to this. Just want to show you, you can take a passenger side window regulator and convert it to a driver's side. There's a few things you're going to need to do to make it happen, but it's pretty simple. Originally, this has a rivet here. You take that rivet out, and then take this rivet out down here. And then once you do that, you just flip everything around, flip all of the arms around to the other side. That's why all the writing is upside down here, because originally it was a right-hand side or a passenger side. Once you flip it around, you're going to have to create a new hole here. From the factory, there's a hole, but it's not exactly where it needs to be to get this gear flush with this arm, as it was over on this side. So you do have to drill a new hole right here. Once you do that, you just simply get new rivets and you pop these new rivets back in. No one's making the flat rivet heads anymore, so I picked up some truss heads. They're low profile enough where when you do go full extension, it does slide underneath. This one right here would be the one you would need to make sure it's low profile enough to slide underneath this mounting housing right here. Why I did have it out, I did go ahead and pull the rivets off of the gear, cleaned it up nicely, pulled these 3 rivets right here off, cleaned it up nicely. But you can see now, this is now a driver's side, where it was a passenger side. You can see where my new rivets are right here. That's the only ones you have to do. So it's basically from the back side, take that one off, flip these around, take that one off, flip this around, and then remount it on the other side, and you should be good to go. Simple rivets, not complicated. I use a cinching tool. This is the cinching tool I use right here. These are the dies right here. There's an upper and a lower die, and the lower die creates the curl on the bottom of the rivet. And then here's more sets right here of dies that I have, just different size dies for different size applications, different size rivets. These are the rivets that I use. I get these from Hanson Supply here in Pacoima, California. Not a plug for them, but they always seem to work out for me. The bigger the rivet you go, the harder it is to squeeze. Just remember that. These are semi-tubular aluminum. The bigger they are, the harder they are to squeeze. In this case, I just put it on the floor and use all of my weight and just jump up and down on the handle, and they squeeze down. Okay guys, we're going to post this up, and that should be it for window regulators for a little while. Thanks.